How to test FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention module on Xcart. Firstly, go to your online store. Select a product and add it into the cart. Click on the cart icon and then press Checkout. Fill in the shipping and billing information. Let's enter testing at example.com as the client email address, as it will trigger the reject action as stated in our default validation rules. By default, FraudLabs Pro has automatically assigned you 5 validation rules during the sign-up. You may learn more about default validation rules by viewing our videos or articles. Click on Choose Shipping. Then, click on Proceed to Payment. Check the Terms and Conditions checkbox and click on Place Order. If the order failed FraudLabs Pro Fraud Validation, a warning message will be shown. Let's log in to the FraudLabs Pro Merchant area to view the complete transaction details. Go to Transactions, then click on the View Details icon. This is the transaction details of the order. Thanks for watching.